Hello everybody, this is David with Simply Air Guns, and this isn't one of my normal videos. A lot of people wanted to see Buddy, so we're going to get a shot of Buddy. This is where I sit when I edit, and he usually kind of curls up against me here, and Buddy may not be with us a lot longer. Obviously, I'm not going to go too much into that right now, but what we're going to talk about, we got him a new ramp. This ramp was made out of some old pantry doors, cabinet doors, and just pieces of scrap wood I had laying around. And it's got 2x6s, and it's extremely heavy, and it's kind of in the way. We used to, we've got a cover for the couch, but we kind of gave up on that because he didn't like the cover on the couch, and he would pull the corners up at night. So we're just trying to make him as comfortable as possible for his last days. So let me show you what we got for a new ramp. I'm going to get this out of here, and right now we got a couple of pairs of shoes underneath it. This thing weighs 50 pounds or something, so I'm going to kill the video, get this out of the way, and I'll be right back. Okay, this ramp that we got is made by Comftcare. And on the end of the box, it says comfort and care always here. So, and this is significantly lighter than the other thing that we had. So let me get this out of the box so we don't make lots of noise, and I'll be right back. All right, I got this out of the box, and as you can see, it's padded well on the corners. This piece is notched. This piece is notched, so one would assume these notches go together. And this is going to be the leg, and the height is adjustable. Buddy is resting right now, so we're not going to disturb him, but I'm going to take all the corners off. Man, this is going to be so nice for him. I'm not going to wake him up, but oh my gosh, that's so much better, and it's going to be easier for Sherry to clean, because basically I had to manhandle that other conglomeration of junk that I put together so that she could get underneath there and sweep. This is going to be so much better. I'm not going to wait. Oh, those are soft. I'm not going to make him get up right now because he's resting, but we'll get him up in a little bit, or when he gets up in a little bit, I'm sure he's going to take to this immediately, and I'll show you how it works. All right, so to show you the flexibility of this, if you were going to use it for a bed, it'll go that far up, and it will go this far down. So a lot of versatility there. I think for our couch, I think I'm going to go one notch lower. Maybe one more, or maybe that was the same one. Well, it's supper time for Buddy, so I think if Sherry gets up and starts fixing his supper, he's probably going to want to come down the ramp. Oops, he hears food. It's a different ramp, huh? Yeah, it's all right. Come on. There you go. All right. Just walk on under the tripod. He's kind of like me. He's motivated by food. He's also motivated by walking. Me, not so much. Just a quick side note, when you're not using this, you can just stash it behind a door or in a closet. I forgot to mention this has a handy carry handle. All right, we're going to see what he does coming up the ramp. Come here, come up. Little motivation. So you really don't, for long dogs and little dogs and old dogs, you really don't want them to jump. So the ramp is really an asset. It protects their hip joints, their back, especially with long dogs with short legs. If they jump on and off the furniture, it's really tough on them. And he's 11 and some months old, 11 years and some months old. He's got some medical problems, and we're just trying to make this last a little bit. He's got a heart problem, so they can't put him under to fix the other problems. He has a cancer issue and a tumor issue that are now inoperable. So we're just trying to make him as comfortable as we can for however long. Come on up. Here. Come here, buddy. All right, come on up. So now I'm just experimenting with where the ramp needs to be. That looked like a winner right there. He zipped right up. Are you expecting another one of these? All right. One last one before bed. I appreciate everybody, and I'll keep you posted on Buddy's progress. All right, so to tie all this together, this is made with a radiata pine. It's an imported pine that it grows naturally in California, but I think it's a protected species there. It's a real straight grain, low knot wood, and they have finished this real nice. They've rounded all the corners off. Buddy's really loving this thing. It's he would slide down the other ramp, so he's a lot more stable on this than he was on the other one. So if anybody made it to the end of this, I appreciate it. And I'm gonna throw a video up over here you might like. YouTube's gonna throw one down here you might like. I'll catch you in one of those, or catch you down the road.